Hey guys, back with another video. Well, so yeah, let's get it. So today I'm just gonna make a slime video. So yeah, tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so I hope all of you guys have a great Christmas Eve. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a slime. So the first thing you need a container, something to mix with. Optional. It's optional what you're gonna mix with. And then your activator, this borax, and then your school glue. I'm using Elmer's and school glue, so it's right there. So yeah, sorry my voice is a little different. It's because I don't know if it's acting up. Yeah, but I can see acting weird. It doesn't matter the amount you add. I added. So, our next step is to put our food coloring. My food colorings are gonna be these. I don't know if I'm gonna use them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add one cup of everyone. So, one. So, two. Sorry for the background noise. 3. I took this, so it's okay. I mix the colors with this, so yeah. Well, it's really cute. But I don't like the color. I wonder what color is coming down below. What color do you think is gonna come out? It's like blue-ish. So yeah. Right back when I'm done mixing. Easy! So yeah, guys, I'm finally done mixing. So there's our product. So you're just gonna add a little bit at a time. Remember, don't add a lot because you can over borax or over detergent, whatever you use. You can use detergent, Tide, or whatever you want to use. So yeah. So I will mixing a little bit. Mixing a little bit borax again. I can get borax right, or whatever detergent, whatever you're using to activate it. So I'm using borax to activate it. So yeah. I'm sorry. So just mix. Oh my gosh. Sorry again. I'll be right. Oh my gosh, I'll be right back, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's finally placed. Whatever. Just finish this. Sorry about the camera. So, enter mixing. Just keep mixing all that. I'm gonna add a little activator. So that's a little bit activator. Make sure I put the camera. I'm really getting annoyed with this, so I'm just gonna have it down. You can mix. And if you don't want to get your hands messy, just do not put your hands in. Sorry, guys. So, just put this in the bed. Keep doing a lot of activator until it's fully mixed. Okay. Easy. But so this is how it is. Turning it out right now. So I fixed the camera. Oh my gosh, I can't close it up. This is really annoying. Sorry. I'm gonna find a better place to put it right now, so be right back. So I finally got it in the right place. So I had to take something out of them where I have it. So this is the final touch, I guess. Not the final touch, but this is how your slime would turn out. And yeah, not all the way, but like what color you put in, whatever. Oh my gosh. This is just gonna be overactivated or whatever. I'll fix it after. But I just want to get this over with. What? Oh, Annabelle's not here.
Just beat it.
Sorry for that noise. Okay. So this is how the slime came out. I guess you just gotta knead it, I guess. That's what I heard in a video. So comment down below, like and share. And then this is what you wanna know what me and my cousin do. We'll tell you guys in the video. Probably our Christmas video. I don't know. So by the way, me and Anna are cousins, so yeah. So
baby shield. AC.
what?
AC. BBC.
So like, subscribe, and comment down below how to fix slime. So yeah,
Thank you.
I'm gonna do a video after that. So yeah, bye.